arrivals or returnees to the bay.
We're listening to the cruiser's net. I've never heard so many boats check in that they're listening here in Puerto
How
Vallarta.
about any departures if anyone planning on leaving?
I will just show you where we're going to go in. This is the channel for the marina, and we're docking right here. That's the only dock space they have for us. No power, no water, and that's the dock space we're hoping they are going to let us stay in and not chase us out after today. A big catamaran coming out for a day charter called Alley Cat. There are so many boats out here called Alley Cat, and they're not all, some of them are monohulls too. We are docked here with the noisy, funky hairdo birds. Etta from Sailing Vessel Taku, and I think these guys got cool, funky, punky hairdos. This is our spot. We need a little more cleats here if we're going to be staying here. Oh, there's a cleat. I don't think it's been moved, looked at, touched for a long time. It's one of those folding down trimarans. Here comes Andrew. Let's ask him if we are staying or not. What's the prognosis, Andrew?
We can stay here at least a week.
Phew!
And if they find a better spot for us, that's fine, and the rate seems quite reasonable here.
Oh, yes! Here come our Beneteau guys that are going to check our bulkheads. Good morning, bon dias. These are the guys that are going to fix our bulkhead stuff. Right here.
Okay.
The goodies.
This is a kit. So we never did see one because
Everything.
there's trim.
Even the silicone.
Would you like this? You have a measuring tape by any chance?
Yes. Right here, Andrew.
We brought one each. They knew. This came from factory. They knew these things move.
This is a stronger point. I see your point that the oak is better, but this is a stronger point because it's a bigger solid piece. Then the other one is going to have a little strip.
Ahí hay un mango,
Be better
es un
also
botón
that
negro.
the metal, if you put it in the middle, it would
Ahorita
be
va a
a
llegar.
stronger point than put it in the screw on the side of the metal. Now we have to do two to hold it.
Should we ask Lagoon, Andrew?
Yeah.
Because we want the Lagoon to warranty it.
Get a hold of Lagoon and see if there's specific instructions on how to
Yes.
do this.
Or just hold it with Sikaflex.
Yeah, because if you do it and Lagoon says, no, that's not, we did not instruct, we will not warranty this repair.
Right, yeah.
And then we can't sell the boat.
Right. We want to keep it to the Lagoon's
Yeah.
instructions so that it's still covered. Right?
Yes.
We'll find that out, and then I guess
Okay,
this
because
becomes not an
if they
argument
say just do the Sikaflex on drill, then we don't drill.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sikaflex. Van a preguntar.
Time to look at the other side.
So we
Or,
expected
sorry,
this about
starboard
10
side.
It hasn't changed in a year.
So it was 10.5 months ago we checked this in La Paz, and it has not changed. There has been no movement of the bulkhead. And we have been in some, well, coming down here, so we have sailed about 1,500 nautical miles since then, and we did have some seas sailing south from Puerto Penasco. So happy! All our ducks are in a row! Everything's going along great! Woo! Now we just need our long-term visas for French Polynesia. Woo! So on our friend's Lagoon 450, these gentlemen did not have the Lagoon kit that we were given. They had to fabricate everything. And thank you very much, Lagoon, for sending us this kit. We appreciate it. All right, they'll get back to us Monday on the time frame it's going to take, but they can start pretty soon this coming week.
Hey, we're on our way to catch the bus, go to town. Just come along and see what we find.
This is a real marina. I don't think we've stayed in one like this before. Oh, maybe in Quepos, Costa Rica. Look at these boats. And the marina office and restaurant. Just gonna go out of the gates to the marina now. Security section, and then up the cobbled road of La Cruz. I love this sound. It reminds me of summertime at home in Canada. Here are the cobbled stones of La Cruz, the town. Oh, there's an old beetle bug. We take the local bus for $1 to Walmart, do our shopping, and then head home to the boat. Here's our next boat, Lagoon 70.
Yeah.
When we win the $20 million lottery on the tickets that we don't buy, we'll have this boat and a crew. Can have all our viewers come crew for us on board here. Back to WaveRiders we go. We're exhausted. That was too much of a trek today after that long sail.
Good morning. It's Sunday, March the 20th. Happy birthday, Kylie. We are on our way to the farmer's market, just over there.
Oh no, Andrew! What the heck? What's this?
Let's have a look.
Our wind generator piece? No? Oh no. What the heck? Oh no, what is it?
You know what this is?
What?
This is the tail for our wind indicator.
Ah.
Wind direction indicator.
One of these big birds must have landed on it. Oh shoot.
Looks pretty rotten though now.
Does it? Oh man. We gotta have that to cross the Pacific. Okay. Which one of you guys over here landed on it and broke it? This is not how I usually get down into the water. What the heck is going on today on March the 24th, 2022? I'll tell you what's going on. Something we were afraid was going to happen. When we were sticking the primer on the starboard bow, it just was not going on correctly. We think it wasn't stirred enough. This is where we started. So this is what's happened. And only here, the primer is coming off. We can just scrape it off like an Etch-a-Sketch. I am too old for this. So kind of figured this was going to happen. When we put the primer on, it just wasn't acting properly at this little section here. And I wanted to wipe it off, but Andrew thought it would be fine, but it did. It sloughed off on our sail down from Penasco. So we've scraped it, hauled out, scraped it, sanded it, and now we're ready to prime it again and then feather the black paint back on. Yep, I think I need to go live in a house now. This is way too much work. Okay, time for the second coat of primer. I'll go show you the first. Leanne's not a very happy camper.
Why?
Because I don't want to be doing this again. Here's the fix. So this primer has definitely gone on different than we had before. Before it was thin. We obviously did something on, this is the first section we started at before. And it was thin, runny, see-through. So it's definitely going on differently now. Oh. Rest of the boat looks awesome. Everything stayed on. It's just there where the primer, we had trouble with that primer. Almost. It's 6:45 at night. Just finished putting on the first coat of the bottom paint. Here's our first coat of bottom paint on that. And here's this side. So we should be able to get 2 more coats done. 9:30 will be the last time we can put on the final coat. WaveRiders is going back into the water March the 25th. Good thing they're late this morning because we put our last coat of paint on at 9 p.m. last night and it needs 12 hours before splash. So it's about 9:30 a.m. now. there's our paint job, starboard bow. At least this dry dock is lots wider. I'll show you. We actually have room for fenders. So now we're going to go to the fuel dock and then the pump out dock and then go out and make water. Fuel dock now to get ready to cross the Pacific. We're pretty full already. And the fuel dock was full when we came out of the haul out, so we went to the pump out first. Still at the fuel dock. Why is Andrew getting his flippers out? Oh, and his mask. This fell in the water. The chain broke and it kerplunked in. So now we have to go, or not we, he has to go do Braille method and find it. Oh, nuts. Always something, isn't it? Andrew just misses swimming so much that he's got to keep doing these kind of things. There he goes. Oh dear. There it is! He got it!
Second time down.
Woo! 2 dives and he got it. Okay, so there it is. Half the chain broke in half. Oh, I'm out of battery. Chain broke in half. So half of it's in the tank and half of it's dangling out. All right, we're just going out to make water and there's a whale here. That's a mama and a baby that's in the anchorage here. Good morning, March 29th, 7 a.m. and we are almost ready to start to head to the airport. Have to get there early so we can get our COVID tests and then upload it all onto United Airlines and arrive can. We're just waiting for the shipyard worker to come and get our key this morning and then talk about the bulkhead fix while we're gone. And then we're gone. We're all ready to go.